This bus is a time capsule, badly hurt.
Let's see what's hiding back here. Corrosion everywhere. No wonder it's dead. Fuel lines feel like crackers. Brakes are seized solid. We'll fix fuel, brakes, and wiring first. Safety first, up it goes. Now it won't fall on us. Let it soak, these bolts will fight. One move, don't round it. Peel off, now we see the damage. Stuck drum, classic. There it is, packed with rust.
Keep parts organized, one at a time.
Old springs still bite.
That lining is done, unsafe.
Brake line's coming off, careful. Oh. Uh-oh, it's slipping. Seat the socket, save the bolt. It's off, barely. We'll rebuild or replace, no guessing.
Old fuel system, next.
That's varnish, not fuel. Proof it sat for years. First, we uncover the real rust. Grease before anything else.
Green crust kills voltage.
Floor's worse than it looked.
We stop rust before patching.
That's why the door's stuck.
Fresh grease, simple win.
Better, not perfect yet. Let's make room to work. This filter is a mud jar. No fuel could pass that. Spark needs clean contact. Front right, same story. Free it without cracking it.
packed tight with rust.
Springs come off clean, slow. These can't be reused.
Both sides need fresh hydraulics.
Clear the mess before reassembly.
Let's see what the oil says. Metal and oil, we go carefully. Spark one cylinder at a time. Don't strip the threads.
Eating plugs tells the story.
Free up every linkage.
Fuel pump gets rebuilt next.
Tank out, no shortcuts.
That's decades of sludge. Hear that? It's all junk inside. Save the original tank. Seal it, then we shake. Break the varnish loose. Let it drain. Look at that color. That's what clogged everything.
Rinse until it runs clear.
Getting cleaner.
Dry it fast. Prevent flash rust.
Seal the inside for good. Clean the mounting points. Lock rust out. Let's rebuild this pump. That diaphragm is toast. Clean the passages. No debris left behind.
New seals, same original housing. Fresh diaphragm installed.
Back together.
Even torque, no leaks.
Seal it right. Original pump revived.
Old hose out. Fire risk.
New line, same routing. No leaks, no drama. Grounds must be perfect.
Save the original strap.
Contact cleaner finishes it.
Bare metal equals good ground.
Ground restored.
That should wake the system. Fuse box is crusty.
Clean ends bring current back.
Now the contacts.
Fuse back in.
Ignition circuit needs love.
Clean it, then test.
Even the cabin gets a reset.
We patch only what's needed.
Rod out, clean edges in. Prep makes welds strong.
Fit it before we weld it. Lock it, no movement. One tack to hold it.
Stitch weld, avoid warping.
Flush and strong.
Primer seals the repair.
Dry it before sealing.
Seal the seam, keep water out.
Smooth it factory style. Master cylinders next. Crack it loose, don't twist the line. Stop the drip. If it snaps, we drill. There's the fight, snapped bolt.
Center punch, aim matters.
Pilot hole, slow and straight.
Extractor in, gentle torque.
Bolt saved, threads saved. Chase the threads, perfect fit. Master cylinder out. This can't be trusted. Clean mount, clean seal. Safety part, this one is new. Master cylinder in. Solid mount. Thread it by hand first. Fresh wheel cylinder. Locked in. New shoes in. Spring set. Original drum cleaned. Snug it, final torque later. Original tank, back in. Tank secured. Every clamp gets checked.
Fresh fluid only.
That pedal feels alive. Power source is new. Positive on. Tight connection. Ground on. Now we have voltage.
Lights are back.
New plugs, gentle start.
Seated, don't overdo it. Click, good spark path.
Prime it. First start is near.
Come on, wake up.
No leaks, good.
Movement in years.
No dragging heat, perfect.
Same soul, now safe to drive.